In the previous video, we explored some of Tianjin's iconic spots, as well as the beautiful night scenery. But in this video, we'll be focusing on the mouth-watering food in Tianjin that will hopefully tingle your taste buds. Now, even though Tianjin is heavily influenced by Western cultures, breakfast, street snacks, and all sorts of food remain extremely Chinese, characterized by carbs, carbs, and more carbs. For our first destination is the Gu Bao Zi shop. Even though they specialize in buns, they do offer other dishes as well. And for this particular brand, it has many different outlets throughout the city, but we chose the one closest to the Tianjin station. The interior is quite a small and cozy shop, and since it's only early in the morning, there aren't many people out of bed yet. There are many flavors that you can choose from, like pork, san xian, or vegetarian, but I'm not really a vegetarian fan, so I got the pork version and the seafood one. Oh, I can smell the aroma, all the marinades. The outer layer of the bun acts as a steamer when cooking the bao, so it retains all the moisture inside. So juicy. You also have the option to dip your buns into some spice or vinegar, but I like mine just the way it is. Although it's just marinated pork inside, it's so juicy and flavorful. I love it. The san xian flavor has shrimps, pork, and some black fungus in it. A bit of a crunch from the black fungus and the bounciness from the prawns. So good. I really like the buns here because the meat to flour proportion is just nice. Not too floury and not too meaty. Just the way I like it. The buns also come in bite-sized pieces, so you can eat a lot without getting too full. We got 6 buns for 9.5 yuan, which is quite worth it. Now that breakfast is out of the way, let's go grab some street food. The street shops in Tianjin are a lot more happening compared to Beijing. Here, you can expect to see many street vendors congregating at popular tourist attractions. So we absolutely had to try another local street delicacy in Tianjin, the JianBing. Some batter on the hot skillet, crack an almighty egg, spread it like butter, sprinkle some spring onions, shake some sesame seed, flip it without gloves, and add some fried dough. Now, as I'm editing this, I sincerely hope that she's washed her hands before preparing this. Anyway, add some bean paste, ketchups and chilies, and then touch it again without gloves. And we're all set. My JianBing. So the JianBing here is different from Beijing. They said that the batter is made with mung beans instead, so it might be a bit different. And also the filling, instead of the crispy bean curd skin, it's the fried dough. So let's give it a go. In my opinion, it might taste a bit better if it was crispy and not so soggy. But, well... When you come to Tianjin, also check out the Nanshili shopping district. Think about it as a place where all the Tianjin snacks are consolidated into one spot, with the price hiked up as high as the Tianjin Eye. The interior is like an arcade of shops, with vendors using loud hailers to advertise their products. You can get your favorite snacks like smelly tofu, shining mochi, rice cakes and sweets, and other popular Tianjin snacks like the fried twisted dough. Looks good, huh? Sorry, that's just a poster. This is the real deal. Alas, it's dinner time, and we just about had enough carbs for the day. So for dinner, we are here at this authentic Chinese restaurant where we aim to get some mouth-watering meat. The interior of the shop is very clean, very nice and neat, but come on, we're not here to look at the shops. We're here for this. Wow, what a spread! We got the Kungpao Chicken, the hot pot tofu, and potato salad just to cool things off, and also some egg and seaweed soup. Can't wait. Let's dig in. I'm gonna try the Kungpao Chicken first. Alright. Sorry. I ordered Kungpao Chicken and prawns. I just had the prawn, so bouncy. Oh my god. The fragrance from the Kungpao, the ketchup, the tomatoes, the chili, and the spices smells so good and it tastes so good. The dried chili adds a bit of kick to it, but not too much, so anyone who can't handle spice, you can have this. Going for another bite. Oh. Wow. Absolutely amazing. So crispy when he stir fries the chicken, and it's so soft and tender inside. Coated with the sauce. I'm in paradise. There's a bit of peanuts and the leek. There's a bit of crunch to that succulent piece of chicken. Oh my god, you have to try this. I've had Kungpao chicken at home in Singapore and in Australia. Nothing comes close. The last piece of prawn. Woo. It's so muscular and meaty and bouncy. I'm gonna try the tofu now. It's not tofu, it's fish cake tofu. So bouncy. Oh, the Chinese spice, the spring onions, oh, the leek. What a find. What a win. They have meat inside it also. There's some chili and pork and soy sauce in the fish cake tofu, so it's a lot of flavor and a lot of spice. Really like it. Oh my god, these caramelized onions, they are a hidden gem. They're so sweet. I can't believe it. Oh my god. And the fish cakes. Remember how I talked about China's fish cake? There's like 90% flour, 10% fish. The ones here, the ratio is like 60-40, 60% fish, 40% flour. So it's so good, so bouncy. Love it. I'm gonna try the potato salad. There's potatoes, celery, and maybe some ham or carrot. I don't know. I don't know, but it tastes good. Cools the heat down. It's been a really hot day, and we've been eating a lot of carbs. So this protein-rich meal hits the spot. Now to cleanse my palate with the soup. It's a egg with seaweed and some, what's that? Cucumber, I guess? Yeah. So clear, so clean. I can't say anything bad about this restaurant. The owner's so friendly, the food is so good. And the price of these dishes comes in at only 112 Yuan, which is roughly about $18. Overall, the day trip to Tianjin was extremely good, well, apart from the sun. But I reckon a day in Tianjin should be more than enough to explore the city. But once again, thanks for joining us on another So Thirsty adventure. We hope you have enjoyed it. Be sure to like the video and leave a comment down below if you did. And don't forget to subscribe and stay so thirsty.